Gasometers of Vienna, Austria. What do you do with 4 massive gas storage tanks after they become obsolete? In most cities they'd be demolished, but in Vienna, Austria, these towering 19th-century gasometers were transformed into something truly extraordinary. Built in 1896, these gigantic brick structures once stored town gas for Vienna, fueling homes and industries. For nearly a century, they stood as industrial giants, until natural gas made them unnecessary in the 1980s. Many expected them to be torn down, but instead, architects saw potential. In the late 1990s, an ambitious project turned these abandoned gasometers into a futuristic urban complex. Each cylinder was redesigned by a different renowned architect, transforming them into residential apartments, offices, entertainment venues, and even a shopping mall. The original brick facades were preserved, blending history with modern innovation. Today, the gasometers of Vienna are a prime example of adaptive reuse done right. They're not just relics of the past, but fully functioning urban spaces, proving that even the most industrial structures can be reimagined.